this video, we will show you the steps of extracting data files from a corrupted, formatted, or deleted VHD file. We brings you the perfect solution with SysTools VHD Viewer Pro software. Now let's check out the main features of the software. The tool helps in retrieving permanently deleted files or folder items from a VHD file. Lets you preview and save data from FAT32, FAT16, NTFS, and exFAT. Helps in getting data from either single or multiple partition VHDs. Supports MBR and GPT partition style of fixed and dynamic VHD. The tool supports the below-mentioned Windows versions. Now let's install and run the software. Let's check out the method of extracting deleted VHD data first. The software comes with a user-friendly interface. Now click Open button from top menu to add the desired VHD file. Click Browse button to choose the desired file, and after choosing the file, click Open. Now you can see different scan type options below. Quick Scan option enabled users to view normal deleted or permanently deleted VHD file items. And the Advanced Scan option enabled users to view VHD file items from formatted VHD partitions. And the Recover Deleted Partition option enabled users to preview deleted VHD file partitions and its data items. After choosing the desired options, click Scan button to proceed. After the scanning completes successfully, a small window appears and click Yes if you want to save the scanned file, or else click No to proceed. Now you can see the scanned VHD file will appear on the left pane. The folder, which contains data, will appear in bold. Click Subfolders, and you can see the deleted data will appear in red color. You can either choose selective files to save by right-clicking on any desired file, or else choose the Save Selected button on top. Now let's choose the Save button from the top menu to export files in bulk. Then select the Make New Folder option to save the output files. After selecting a folder, click OK. And after the export process completes successfully, click OK. Then you can see the folder containing CSV report, along with the export reports. You can click the folder in order to see the recovered data which was deleted earlier. Now let's check out the method of extracting data from a formatted VHD partition. Open the software and choose the Open button from the top menu. Then click Browse button to choose the formatted partition VHD file, and click Open button. Then from the Scan Type options, choose desired options and click Scan button to proceed. After the files are scanned successfully, click Yes to save the scanned files, or else click No to proceed. Now you can see the scanned formatted partition VHD file will appear on the left side pane. Here you can see the formatted VHD data items will be shown in red color. Now you can choose either single files or choose the desired folders according to your requirements. After choosing the desired options, click Save button from the top menu. Now you can choose the Make New Folder button to create a new folder to save the output files. After selecting a folder, click OK to proceed. Now you can see the file exporting process in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click OK. You can see the output folder. Open the folder to see the extracted data from the VHD partition. Now let's check out the method of extracting data from a deleted VHD partition. Click Open button from the top menu. Then click Browse button to choose the deleted VHD partition file. After selecting the file, click Open button. Then choose the desired checkbox options. After making the desired selections, click Scan button to proceed. and after the scanning completes successfully, click Yes to save the scanned file, or else click No to proceed. Now you can see the scanned deleted partition files will appear on the left. Choose subfolders. Now you can see the folder containing deleted data will appear in red. You can also make use of the search option below in order to search for any particular file or folders by applying different filter options. You can choose file filter options such as the date on which the file was created, modified, or accessed last. Then there is option to filter files according to certain date range. Otherwise you can choose any related keyword and enter it in the field option below to search for any particular file. Make sure that the desired folder is selected by checking the box option. Then click Search button. Now you can see the file with the related keyword will appear below. Now let's choose the Explorer button again and choose the desired folders by selecting the checkbox option. Then click Save button from top menu and select the folder to save the output file. Then click OK. Now the files will be exported, and after the exporting process completes successfully, click OK. Now you can see the output folder containing all the data. Choose the desired file to check its details. In this video, you saw the simple step-by-step methods of how to recover data from an already deleted VHD, formatted VHD partition, and deleted VHD partitions. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.